Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke. This is a 1967 Chevrolet Nova Custom Coupe. Now, this is the recipient of an $800,000 build process. We're gonna give you a quick walk around and a quick run through, but before we do that, a quick word from our sponsor.
Life is too short to drive boring cars.
Powering what they have dubbed the InNOVAtor or InNOVAtor lies a Chevrolet Performance LSX 454 small block. And this thing is pushing roughly 700 horsepower. It's been bored roughly 4 inches, and it's equipped with a custom hydraulic camshaft and CNC ported LS7 heads. Of course, this bad boy is paired with a TREMEC T56 Magnum 6-speed manual transmission with a center forge clutch. Guys, but wait, there is more. Power is efficiently transmitted to a 9-inch Roadster Shop axle with a Detroit True Track differential and 390 gears. This custom Roadster Shop fast track chassis featuring adjustable AFCO coilovers and Bayer Extreme brakes. Man, this thing is absolutely dialed. All right guys, as we take a look at this exterior, it's finished in this gorgeous Glacier White with the gray up top and on the hood. It pairs together phenomenally. Now, as we move down the line, we do have this digitally drawn stripe that goes down the whole side of the vehicle and gets a little bit wider towards the rear end. Fantastic choice, especially with that red trim. Now, looking at the wheels here, those are 18 inches in the front. As we go to the rear, we are rocking 20 inches. As we look at our side mirrors, we have our turn signals that have been incorporated in here, so we do have some modern features abundant throughout. But what I really want to talk about is what's inside, because this thing is absolutely clean on the interior. Inside, you'll see Sparco bucket seats housed within a full cage with fiber optic lighting. The interior is equipped, of course, with GPS navigation and a full array of custom gauges. So you get those more modern amenities. It does have that custom white steering wheel, which looks quite sharp. It has a Roadster Shop shifter and a CNC circuit board foot pedals to further enhance, the driving dynamics and just overall appearance of the cabin. All right guys, that's gonna wrap up this video, but the Nova has so much history. Many people, including myself, absolutely love the Novas and what you can do with them. I know some people do prefer the older styles. Some people do like the Restomati stuff. Nonetheless, this vehicle has had so much time and so much love put into it. It's just a phenomenal build we had to show you guys. Now, I would love to hear your thoughts down below in the comments, so let us know and hit that like and subscribe button. That's gonna be it for this video, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next one.